those protests. Look here, it's no traffic at all. So hopefully I won't have any problems getting to where I need to go. No traffic. It seems to be a weekly thing here. I don't know if that's a normal or what. It just seemed to happen more often. Everybody seemed to be walking. Never seen this many people. So I guess they can't catch a bus, so they have to go up here and kind of catch the bus somewhere, I guess. Because the bus that usually take them from one spot, one location to the next, they can't get there. So I'm gonna have to do some illegal crossing road here to see if I can get over, because I can't. I don't know if it's illegal or not, but let's just, we're gonna cross illegal. No traffic, both directions. Look at it.
Pues este es el sector social que lucha y que protesta por sus derechos. Y también somos derechos de la ciudadanía, pero que por no estar organizados no se manifiestan de manera directa aquí en la Ciudad de México. Pedimos comprensión y apoyo.
Oh, oh, almost walked over a kid. All right, that's enough. All right, I made it here. Again, I'm at the regular Starbucks coffee in Roma Norte, right there next to the Shake Shack. Yeah, usually I go to lunch and then I go to another destination, but today I'm gonna go to the park first, Parque Mexico first. And this is the Parque Mexico. Just kind of give you like a abbreviated tour of Parque Mexico. It's kind of a very nice looking park. Where people go running, people walk, people sit down, sit. I don't know if they have picnics or barbecues out here, but it's a definitely beautiful park. Look at it. I mean, hopefully it's showing up pretty good in your video, but I mean, you can just go here and just kind of relax and just chill, you know. It's a beautiful park. Have a nice sit down at this little makeshift gazebo or whatever you want to call it. And also you can do some exercise. This is they have Wi-Fi here. They look like they're doing some type of work. I guess maybe normal water would be right there, but I guess maybe there's a time of year when they actually put the water out. So you could imagine what it looks like when they actually have water. There's a playground off to the left, but there's some kids here, so I'm not gonna pan it over that direction. But this is also a workout area outside. They have plenty of, well, I guess there are plenty of those, but definitely have some in this area where you can work outside instead of using the gym. There's also at Parque España. I think I showed that in one of my earlier videos. You got the pull-up bars. this. Go this way where there's a seemed like a nice little water fountain, a waterfall. Let's go by that. Seemed like a nice peaceful way to spend some time. Again, this is in the Condesa Norte Roma neighborhood. Again, you can't go wrong. You're in all this Norte Roma, Polanco, Condesa, all part of the same neighborhood. Let's see if we can catch some of this. Look at that. Obviously, see a lot of people walking their dogs. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's like it's well manicured, like they kind of maintain it a lot, you know? Audiorama, I'm not sure what that is. Okay. I guess this is where you can probably, I'm not sure what that is. Feel the water from here. Okay. Look at this. Those are ducks or chicken. Okay, obviously ducks. For a minute I thought it was chicken. Let's go this way right here. Yeah. This is where we were last week when we took the group picture, the Spanish class group picture. There was a quisiera going on that look at that open space here. This park is kind of bifurcated by like a road in the center. So on the other side, I think it's more of a side where you can, well, I don't think it's a certain size. They actually go further than that, but this is kind of an abbreviated tour of the park. It's much bigger than what I'm gonna probably share on this video, but I at least want to give you an idea of what it looks like. Here's the area strictly for the dogs. I'm across the street here. Again, like I said, it's bifurcated by a road. Kind of a dog park. So if you're an animal lover or if you have a dog, you definitely have a nice spot for them to play and run and enjoy themselves. It's a nice little area right there. Let's see. Again, that's a different view of the park right there. I mean, from that structure. I mean, I don't know if they have to be on a leash, because obviously you can see some dogs that are not on a leash around here. But I have to admit, the dogs are really cooperative with each other. That's something you don't really see in the States. I mean, you get this many dogs and not have any of them to fight for any reason. That's remarkable. I just find that really nice, you know. Again, it's a beautiful little park. Just to chill and relax, have a good time. And just imagine if you had a house or apartment right next there, and then be able to just go right across the street and hang out in the park all day. I mean, it's perfect. The weather's just perfect here. I mean, it doesn't really get hot here anyway, but just imagine on warmer days what it was like, or what is it like to be in this park. So yeah, again, this is kind of a quick abbreviated tour of the park. It's bigger than this, but at least you can get an idea of what it looks like, you know. So now I am headed to get something to eat. Now I need to figure out what's nearby. So give me a second and I'll let you know where I go, and I'll make sure I take you there. All right. We are headed to a restaurant, a vegan restaurant called Forever, which is less than 23 minutes away. So we're gonna go there. I'm not gonna waste your time by taking you with me on this route, because you've seen some of the roads before. As soon as I get there, I will make sure I show you what I see. All right. Let's go ahead and go in here. Oh, almost got hit. I think I'm gonna go right up in here, but once I find somewhere to sit. I think this is one of the places where the portions might be actually small. They look small in the pictures. That looks kind of good, doesn't it? It's kind of a chili cheesesteak, but I don't know if you get one or two, or if they're really small. Prices are a little higher. I'm trying to stay away from burgers. I'm trying to get something different, but I don't know what that noise in the background. So somebody's screaming, hollering, or singing, one of the two. It may pop up again. It's a nice spot out here though. It's a salad. I don't feel like a salad either, you know what I mean? I need something. I think I'm gonna try the taco bajo cauliflower. I got a feeling that's not gonna fill me, but again, I just really came here to test it out, not to get full. Not here, because look, again, the portions look really small. Yeah. All right, I'll let you know what I get in just a second. You know, I ordered the tacos Baja cauliflower, which is 95 pesos. Probably can't see it. Yeah. I also ordered the brownie, which is 70 pesos. And the water of the day tastes like it got some cucumbers. I don't know how much that is, but it's normally cheaper, whatever that is. So, but I see that on the video I order here. This is the Baja tacos. It's not bad looking. Looks decent. I mean, it's lunchtime. That's all I need, so this works. I'll show you the brownie when and if they bring it out. All right. This is the brownie. It's actually pretty good. It has like a couple of blueberries on top. Has some nuts in it, malta. I mean, it's not your typical brownies. It actually looks pretty good. That was surprisingly pretty good. Nice location. The name of the place is Forever. That was about $10. You know, $10 for a lunch at a nice spot, nice ambience. The food was good. The tacos. I mean, you know, there were 3 small tacos, but they served their purpose. You know what I mean? For lunchtime. Now, obviously, you will have to order something more if you were to come here late in the evening. But for lunchtime, just a piece of cake and something to drink. It served its purpose for lunchtime. So I'll be back. I'll check it out again. Guys, I think I'm going to end this vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh, it's so nice.